Busted. It's for my boys in the house. Now this here's a cheer for all the fellas trying to do what those ladies don't. Get shot down cause you're over-jealous, play hard to get females get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are scantily clad and show a body. A chick walks by and you wish you could sex her, but you're sitting on the wall like you was Poindexter. Next day's function, high-class lunch. Food is served and you're stone cold munching. Music gets salt and you start the day, but you ate so much and you just get your back. The girl starts walking, guys start talking. Sits down next to you, starts talking. Says she wanna dance cause she likes to do. So come on, fat soul, just bust the road. You're on a mission and you're wishing someone could cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places, no fine girls, just ugly faces. From frustration, first inclination is to become a fuck and leave the situation. But every dark tunnel has a light of hope. Don't hang yourself with a son of a rope. New movie show, so you'll go. Couldn't care less about the hug of your blow. Theater gets dark just to start the show, and you spot a fine woman sitting in your row. She's dressed in yellow, she says hello. Don't sit next to me, you fine fellow. You run over there without a second to lose. Well, what comes next ain't across the room.
Well, you want it, well, you got it. Well, you want it, baby, you got it. You want it, well, you got it. Well, you want it, baby, you got it.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital. To rock or rhyme, that's right on top. I said it's not that hard. Here we go. It's tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. What is it? Trick. It's tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. Trick. Well, I met this little girl. Her hair was kinda curly. Went to her house in Boston. I had to leave her early. These girls are really sleazy. All they just say is please me. Well, spend some time in rock or rhyme. I said it's not that easy. It's tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. Tricky. It's tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. In New York, these people talk. They try to make us rhyme. They really hard, but we just walk because we have no time. And in the city, it's a pity because we just can't hide. Those big Nintendos don't mean nothing. They know who's inside. It's tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. Tricky to rock or rhyme, to rock or rhyme. That's right on time. It's tricky. Whoa. Get a little carried away.
What? What's wrong?
I'm not really sure what point you're in the question. Over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, that one. Wow. Oh my God. Chris, look at her butt.
I'm looking at her, but... Alright, this is the audience participation part. Come on, ladies. Come on, we need you. Big and small, we love them all. Here it goes. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other mothers can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get stuck. When I pull up top, can you notice that bump was stuck? I'm deep in the jeans she's wearing. I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get with ya and take your picture. My homeboys tried to warn me, but that butt you got.
He's so horny.
Oh, a spool skin. Say wanna get my bands? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie. I see them dancing, the hell with romancing. She sweat, wet, got going turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines, say the rap books all the thing. Take an average black man, ask you that. You gotta pack much back, so thorough, yeah. Your girlfriend got the butt, yeah. Shake that healthy butt. Baby, I'm back. Baby got LA face with an Oakland booty. Baby got LA face with an Oakland booty. Baby got back. myself out acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I want to get you home and double up. I ain't talking about Playboy, cause silicone pots are made for toys. It's not real thick and juicy, so find that juicy double. Makes a lot in trouble, begging for a piece of that bubble. I'm looking at a rock video, not me bimbos walking like hoes. You can have them bimbos, I'll keep my women like flojos. And the word to the big soul sister, I wanna get with ya. Won't cuss or hit ya, but I gotta be straight when I say I wanna. Till the break of dawn, baby got it going on. A lot of sips won't like this song, that's all I'm going for the grip. I'd rather stay and play, cause I'm long, I'm strong, I'm bound to get a friction on. So lady, you wanna roll a mama Mercedes? Turn around, stick it out, you know white boys got to shout.
Look at her butt. Oh my gosh. Look at her butt. Oh my gosh. Look at her butt. Look at her butt. Look at her butt. This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles till bigger than a tower. I am talking about Eiffels. Real country ass player. Let me play with his rifle. Cause he put his ass to sleep. Now he's calling me Michael. Now that's
she got much back. Little in the middle, she got much back. Little in the middle, she got much back. Little in the middle, she got much back. Baby got back.